Today's featured car of the day is a 1958 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe with the 348 engine with the tri-power, the three two-barrel carburetors. And this one I filmed at a car show in Weatherford, Oklahoma. And I don't know if it won an award or not, but it should have, because it was definitely the nicest 1950s car there at the show. And it was definitely an eye catcher with a nice color. But as far as 1958, it was the 50th year of business for GM, since they started in 1908. And every model line, the Cadillac, Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Chevrolet all had a special model for that year. And the Impala, that was the first year for the Impala. And it actually had a little bit longer wheelbase than the regular Bel Air or Del Rey or Biscayne, any of the other ones that shared that. Plus, they had the three tail lights. The other ones all had two, and the station wagon only had one tail light. And it was a one-year only model, which was different. Really set it apart from the other ones. Big departure from the 57 Chevy, that's for sure. And the 59 was even a bigger departure going the other way. But this one was longer than the 57. Longer, lower, wider was their theme that they had for 1958. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.